In this simple video tutorial, I'm going to share with you how you can update your Telegram to the latest version in 2024. You can simply get the updated version of Telegram in just few simple steps. To do this, simply open up your App Store. If you're using Android, just head into your Play Store. In the App Store search bar, type in Telegram Update. Then head into it. Just slide left to see the Telegram updated version preview for 2024. Then tap right here on Update and it will successfully get updated. If you're having trouble to get the latest version, just simply make sure to check on your internet connection. That's how easy it is to update your Telegram app to the latest version of 2024. If you have any questions, just let me know in the comments section down below. Please don't forget to leave a like, share and subscribe for more video tutorials like this one.